Hi everyone and welcome back. So I posted this on IG and TikTok and you all will please give us the recipe now. So here is the recipe. It's really amazing and I can't wait for you all to try it this Christmas. And even vegetarians are going to enjoy this since they don't eat ham. So let's start with the recipe. I'm using 4.5 cups of packed all-purpose flour. You can also use your bread flour if you like, and all of the ingredients on the screen, you're going to add it in and give this a mix. Just a quick mix to distribute the ingredients. Then we're going to go in with green seasoning. Now I put a heaping tablespoon. You can add more if you wanted to, but more pimentos you have in here, the better it will taste. Now I'm going to go in with my melted butter, or you can use vegetable shortening, and my milk. Now I did my milk with some water and some milk. If you're using evaporated milk, please make sure and also go evaporated milk and water. The evaporated milk will be a little too rich for the recipe, so keep on adding the milk a little at a time until it all comes together into a soft dough ball like this. And I'm going to continue to keep kneading and punching down and kneading it for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's really smooth. Use a little bit of dry flour if needed. And punch. Make sure it's really nice and smooth. And then we'll cover this and rest it for about 40 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Keep it in a nice warm place like your oven, with the light in the oven on, and a bowl of hot water in the oven so it creates that warm environment. When it's done, we'll go ahead and punch down on the dough. It's really nice and soft. And then we'll break these into small dough balls about 3 ounces each. And you can see the seasonings speckled throughout the dough. I'm just going to fix them in a little bit. And I got 12 hop spread out of this. Lightly mixed with some avocado spray so that when you put your plastic wrap on it, it doesn't stick and deflate the balls. Once they have rested and they've doubled in size and they're now touching, we're going to place them in the oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 40 minutes until they're beautifully golden brown. When they come out, you can leave them as is, but I like to just brush them with a little butter. Makes it taste really delicious, especially with those seasonings. And then it's ready to be served. It's really delicious with ham or even with cheese. So just look how nice and delicious this hops looks. I'm going to cut into it so you all can see how it looks on the inside, but it's soft. The kitchen smells amazing. Really spongy, soft, and lovely. So just look at the inside, how it's speckled with that seasoning. And if I help it, I can put more pimento peppers in this also. So thank you all for joining me. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.